Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install a reverse proxy on a VPS with Apache detailed guide step by step clearly. To begin, ensure that your VPS is set up and you have access to the terminal. Log into your VPS using SSH. Update the package list to ensure you have the latest information. You can do this by executing the command sudo apt update. Next, install Apache if it is not already installed. Run the command sudo apt install Apache 2. Once the installation is complete, enable the desired Apache modules. Enable the proxy module with the command sudo a2 nmod proxy. Next, enable the proxy_http module with sudo a2 nmod proxy_http. You may also want to enable other relevant modules, such as headers. To enable headers, run sudo a2 nmod headers. After enabling the necessary modules, it's time to configure your virtual host. Navigate to the Apache configuration directory with cd/etc/apache2/. Create a new configuration file for your reverse proxy. You can do this with the command sudo nano yourproxy.conf. In the configuration file, start by defining the server name. Set your server name with servername_yourdomain.com. Set the proxy settings by adding proxypass and proxypass reverse directives. For example, use proxypass/http // your backend server port/. Follow this by proxypass reverse/http // your backend server port/. Make sure to replace your backend server and port with your actual backend server details. Save and close the file by pressing Ctrl+X, then Y, and enter. Now, enable your new virtual host configuration. Execute the command sudo a2 incite yourproxy.conf. Before restarting Apache, check for configuration errors. You can do this by running sudo apache 2ctl config test. If everything is okay, restart Apache to apply the changes. Run the command sudo systemcll restart Apache 2. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.